So first of all, we loosen all these wheels. And now we have the super good thing that we can bring this thing down. What we're gonna do, just slam this under here. Should I do it? Give me a second. So we fitted those two stands on the back, and now I'm gonna lift up the front wheel. Okay, that should be enough and fairly loose. So we can loosen the nuts now. Take it off and take off the wheel. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Two. 3. And 4. And we can take off the wheel. Clean up this. Okay, on the side, let's get the dirt out. Should the wheel that much comes up. Okay, a few minutes later, and we have it nice and shiny. Okay. Let's do the wheel. Okay, let's clean up this a little bit. I think we need a new battery. Let's get. Stop. Stop. Now stop it. To the angle grinder, the wire brush in it, we insert it to make it a bit faster job. So let's do this. And don't forget, I'm here. Don't forget to use the safety gloves and safety goggles. Okay, what we're gonna use? We're gonna use this anti-corrosion paint for metal. It's made by Parkside. You don't need a primer for it. So what we're gonna do? We cleaned it, we washed it. It's nice, nice and clean now. And we start painting. Okay, we're ready with the cleaning. It looks nice, no rust on it. We're gonna use some rust remover. Gonna open it. And we're gonna put it in a jar. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's about enough. We close this. And we're gonna get a brush. Zach will get us a brush.
What's in the brush?
This one here. Gonna stick it in. Hold on a minute. Shut your eyes. And we're gonna get the wheel back on. Maxi, you can take the top away. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna